Hello, Casper.
Yo, Aiden, brother, how are you doing?
I'm good, mate. You?
I'm doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you.
Good. Basically, I think how you're doing everything at the minute is perfect. It might be a bit hard with school trying to get your level up, but other than that, I think
Yeah.
it tries to get everyone engaged, but it's a bit hard to get everybody engaged, I've noticed.
Yeah. And that's 100% true. I like, are you missing some courses now that you don't have access to because of your level? Or,
I don't think I am. I think I'm up to I'm on level 3. I'm almost at level 4, I think. Let me just check quick. Um,
Mhm.
1 minute. Yeah, I'm
Because,
7 points off level 4, and I'm
right.
not actually missing anything that's really going to be an issue. I'm only missing Faceless Freelancer, but I know how to do that anyway.
Yeah.
So
I don't have any content in that yet. That's going
right,
to be a course about learning people how to do the script writing, editing, video editing, the voice acting, and like sell their services on Fiverr or Upwork.
yeah,
But yeah, I think I made it so that all the courses, like the Accelerator Premium course and the AI course, I think you have access to that at level 1 or 2 already, or like at level 2. And if you place
yeah, I
one
do. Yeah,
comment, you are level 2. So I think, yeah, of course you want to level up quick, but right now there's not you're not missing anything if you don't have a higher level.
right,
Okay.
okay,
So, but yeah, thanks for the input. But I think at one point I want to, yeah, I'm not sure about what I want to add in there yet. But of course, at one point I want to maybe do like masterminds or special videos or special trainings that you can get access to if you're more engaged, right? And what I told you before, like when we started, like with the leaderboards, like maybe do like giveaway like monthly prizes to the most engaged people and everything like that, right?
yeah, yeah. No, that's good.
Yeah. Have you been watching the courses or you watched it already in the past?
What's that? Sorry,
Have you been watching the school courses or did you watch everything already in the past, like in the past
I
year?
watched it. I watched it all from Huddle when you started it on Huddle, and then I've been with my research at the minute. I've been keep going back to it in school. So
Yeah, exactly. All right, perfect. Kiva, you commented, I don't believe that I've gone far enough to comment so far so good.